Alright guys, today we're gonna be harvesting our potatoes. Looks like they are just about ready, and these are in 30-gallon grow bags. And these were just store-bought potatoes that we just threw in there. Actually, when we planted these, they were soft. So I'm not really sure what we are gonna get today, but hopefully we'll get a good harvest. I see something over here. It's a good one. Oh, look at that. Let's put that in there. So we got any more? I'm just gonna pull this out, see what's underneath. We got one more. There's a nice one right there. It's like finding treasure. There's something about harvesting potatoes from your garden. It's always a surprise. You just never know what you're gonna get. So you feel something in there. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful. Little one here. Super tiny one. I'm pretty sure there are more in there. Look at that. This is better than I thought. For planting some soft potatoes that was almost going bad from the store, that's a pretty decent harvest already.
And
That's a good one.
I believe these were russet potatoes.
Yeah, I believe they were russet. Beautiful. I'm surprised nobody took them this year. No critters. Usually we have somebody climbing in here and taking our potatoes or sweet potatoes or something that we planted in here. This year might be because it's early, and those guys come by when the weather gets cold, close to fall, and they run out of food. That's when they do it. So this is awesome. Look at this. All right, buddy. Let's see if you can find any in there. You find any potatoes in there? Oh, you got one. Good job. Yes. Let's
Go
get
ahead
that.
and put it in the tray.
Yeah, let's put it in the tray. Awesome. Well, man, look what we found in here. That's a big ass worm. Dang. Alright. Alright, that is our harvest from one 30-gallon grow bag, and now we'll move on to the second one. So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that tiny little ones. Maybe more underneath. On the tiny. There's a few here. Throw it in there. I'm gonna use my hand first because if I try to stab it with this, I'm gonna break up the potatoes. We'll use that at the end. Awesome. Ooh, that's a nice one. Awesome. Got some more. Wow, that's probably our largest one so far. It's another nice one. It's pretty good size. That's another beautiful one right there. Looks like somebody tried to eat it. This one. I noticed the grow bag that got the most sunlight produced the most. Actually, also that grow bag was much larger than the other one, so that Probably has something to do with it too. So the bigger the grow bag, guys, the better the harvest you'll get. Just to show you a comparison of the two two grow bags. So the bigger grow bag yielded more, and actually it got more sunlight too. So all right, it looks like our potato harvest from 2 grow bags this season came out just around 9 pounds from around, I think we planted like 7 potatoes. Yep, from 7 potatoes. That's the results that we got. Not too bad.